Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode on my YouTube channel, and today we are going to make tomato, cucumber and avocado sandwich. So we'll go straight ahead by applying our sandwich bread with mayo. I have used eggless mayo. So the importance of the mayo is to ensure that the sandwich is not that dry. So well, if it's your first time here on my YouTube channel, karibu sana, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always creating time and watching my videos. If you have not liked, shared and subscribed, please do so. We'll now, after we have done applying the mayo, we'll now start adding our thinly sliced tomatoes on our bread. You can arrange them however you want. There's no specific way of arranging the tomatoes. After we are done, we are going to go to the cucumbers. Add as many cucumbers as you want. You know, it's a free world, I mean. Yes, so arrange your cucumbers and we are done. So now we are going to make the avocado a little bit flavorful by adding a tablespoon of lemon juice. Yes, lemon juice. We are going to mix it a little bit, and then add salt. The reason why we are doing this is to make the sandwich flavorful, because that is the only ingredient that we have added, something to enhance the taste. So yeah, ensure that you've mixed it well and make sure that you have tasted to confirm that the salt is enough and the lemon juice is enough, because the amount of lemon juice is determinant with the amount of avocado that you're using. So you'll start placing your avocado on top of your sandwich and voila. Well, I'm yet to show you another method or another way of preparing the same sandwich. So this time round, we have toasted our bread with a little bit of butter, and we have smashed our avocado. So now avocado is going to act as our base, unlike mayonnaise in the previous sandwich that we had done before. So I'm going to apply my avocado onto the bread. Then I'm going to add my cucumber and tomatoes. And yeah, let's wait and see how the outcomes looks like. So this is the outcome of the sandwich on the toasted bread. As you can see, it looks really good. And I'm going to show you the next one, the first sandwich that we made, which is the one that was not toasted. And this is how it looks like. Thank you so much for staying tuned till to this point. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I love you guys. Bye.